Linking your bank to MicroVentures is a straightforward process that allows you to manage your investments more effectively. Follow these steps to complete the linking process. Step 1. Create or log into your MicroVentures account. Visit the MicroVentures website and either create a new account or log into your existing account. Ensure that you have your email and password ready for a smooth login process. Step 2. Navigate to the bank linking section. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Enter your bank information. You will be prompted to enter your bank account details. This typically includes your bank's name, account number, and routing number. Make sure to double-check the information for accuracy to avoid any issues. Step 4. Verify your bank account. After entering your bank information, MicroVentures may require you to verify your account. This could involve confirming small deposits made by MicroVentures into your bank account. Follow the instructions provided to complete the verification. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. Once your bank account is verified, return to the bank linking section to confirm the changes. Save your settings to ensure that your bank account is now linked to your MicroVentures account. Now that you have successfully linked your bank account, you can easily manage your investments and transactions on MicroVentures.